Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and exploring how you can develop generative AI apps in Azure AI Foundry portal. Trust me, this is a game changer for developers and businesses alike. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Azure AI Foundry portal? Well, it's a comprehensive platform that allows you to build, deploy, and manage AI applications. And with the AI, you can now create generative AI apps that are guaranteed to run smoothly. This means you can automate tasks, improve decision-making, and enhance user experiences, all with the power of AI. So, why should you care about generative AI apps in Azure AI Foundry portal? Here's the key insight. These apps can revolutionize your business. Think about it. With AI-driven automation, you can save time and resources while increasing efficiency. This is especially beneficial for businesses that deal with large amounts of data, as AI can quickly analyze and process it, providing valuable insights and predictions. Plus, with the guarantee of smooth running, you can avoid costly errors and maximize productivity. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to develop generative AI apps in Azure AI Foundry portal. First, you'll need to have a basic understanding of AI and coding language, but don't worry. Azure AI Foundry portal provides user-friendly tools and templates, making it accessible for both experienced developers and beginners. Next, you'll need to choose the AI model you want to use for your app. Azure AI Foundry portal offers a wide range of pre-built models, such as natural language processing, image recognition, and predictive analytics. You can also train your own custom model using your data and the powerful machine learning capabilities of Azure. Once your model is selected, you can use the drag-and-drop interface of the portal to design your app's workflow. This allows you to easily integrate different AI models, data sources, and other components to create a seamless and efficient app. And here's the best part. With the AI, your app is guaranteed to run smoothly. This means you can focus on creating and improving your app instead of worrying about technical issues. And with Azure's scalable infrastructure, your app can handle any amount of data and users, ensuring its success in the long run. So if you're a developer or a business looking to harness the power of AI, Azure AI Foundry portal with the AI is the way to go. And that's it for today's tech clip. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and updates. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Thanks for watching and happy coding.